What's up people, welcome back to MP World and welcome to another solution based video. In this video today I'm going to show you how to create Apple ID on your iPhone. On my hand this is iPhone 6, and as you can see here the Apple ID is not creating, so it's showing too many free account has been created on this device. So for this, like if you get the same message, so you have to reset your iPhone and you need to do a fresh setup from the settings. In general you will get this option, so I will hit and erase all content and settings here. This will take like 2 to 3 minutes, and now you can see here my phone is open now. So after hitting the erase all content and settings, so I will do the quick setup and this will be a fresh setup. After opening the phone, there will have no photos or no data, and there will have no iCloud data as well, because I'm going to set up I'm going to create a new Apple ID here. So my phone is open here, you can see. So at this time I'm going to open Safari. Okay, now to open Safari you need to just tap on the settings. At the top we can see here the sign in option for your Apple ID. Now let's see what happens. Okay, it's still showing couldn't create Apple ID. So let's move to App Store here. Tap on App Store and need to continue. Tap on continue here, and at the right side corner you will get this option, and tap on forget passcode. On this page you need to tap on right side the sign in option, and after entering the sign in option you will get another sign in page. Here is the sign in page, just tap on it, and from the right side corner you can see here create Apple ID. This option is available now, and in this page you will get the Apple ID, create your Apple ID, all options here. And here you just need to fill up your basic information, your first name, last name, and one more thing, like your date of birth obviously. But one more thing I wanted to tell you about it, and that is like your name and passcode should be different. So make sure your passcode is different, because sometimes this happens, like if your name is your passcode, so Apple ID won't create. So for this thing you need to avoid you need to choose different passcode. And I'm right now in Bangladesh, so like wherever you are living, so you need to select that country and you need to put the phone number here. And after putting your phone number you will get two verification code. One is on your mobile phone, and second verification you will get in your email address. So first you will get the verification code on your provided email address. So let's see here. Okay, here you can see here the email address, like they have sent the verification code to my email address. So now just let's open the email, and I need to put the verification code from here. And after verifying your email address you need to put your you need to verify your phone number. So for verifying your phone number you will get your passcode here. You can see I got the OTP code here. Okay, that's why I told you, like wherever you are living you need to put your phone number. You need to select that country and you need to put your phone number, because you will get the verification code from Apple. You can see here my Apple ID is created successfully, and at the right side corner we can see the sign out option is showing. Now I will sign into my App Store this Apple ID, and let's see what's next. So we can see here inside the App Store, I have already entered the Apple ID and the passcode, and here is showing the two-step verification. Here you just need to enter the security code. You will get this security code on your mobile phone, and after that you will get the review option. This review option, you just need to tap on this review option, and in this page, like if you use any payment method or any credit card or any debit card, then you can add it, but I will not use any card. That's why I'm using I'm selecting the none option in this Apple ID. And here just normally I am putting the United States address because I'm going to make this Apple ID based on USA. And like if you want to copy this address, you can copy. That's why I'm showing in my video. Here is like the zip code for Los Angeles, and the city is California, you can see here. And street address, I put it the Irvine. And here is a phone number, but I have entered the phone number, my local phone number. After all this, we are finally done. Now let's search YouTube, and whatever apps you want to download, you can download it from here. So it's showing, and you can see it's Tada, and you need to just enter the passcode for your Apple ID, and you can see it's done. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, please share and subscribe. I will come with next video. Thanks.